It's just after 5 a.m. in Jakarta, Indonesia, as 181 passengers settle in for a short domestic flight. Lion Air Flight 610 is a 90-minute journey from Jakarta over the Java Sea to Bangka Island. At 6:20,
rotate.
The MAX 8 lifts off the runway at Jakarta. But immediately there's trouble. The captain's control yoke starts shaking, a warning that the plane is about to stall.
Takeoff config.
Okay, but what?
The pilots can't identify the source of the problem. They have no choice but to continue climbing.
Lion 610, fly heading 248.
That follows standard instrument departure.
Lion Air 610.
The air traffic controller has no idea that there's an issue in the cockpit. The pilots get a warning that their airspeed indicators do not agree.
Airspeed disagree. What's going on? Should we request a return to Jakarta?
Landing gear up.
Lion 610.
Climb to flight level 270.
Still unaware of any trouble, the controller instructs the crew to continue climbing to 27,000 feet.
Altitude disagree.
The first officer now notices that the altimeters also show conflicting readings.
Acknowledged, altitude disagree.
The situation is deteriorating quickly. Now flying 5,000 feet above the sea, Captain Sinasia struggles to keep the plane's nose up.
Flight path vector may be unreliable.
Lion 610, turn right, heading 070 to avoid traffic ahead.
Set the pitch attitude. Roger, heading 070.
Flight 610 is flying erratically over the Java Sea and becoming increasingly more difficult to control. Controller allows Flight 610 to fly at any altitude the pilots choose.
Please clear 3,000 above and below of traffic.
Okay, will do. What
Altitude would you like?
It's diving.
It's diving.
It's okay.
Flight 610 is now speeding towards the sea,
Airspeed.
and the pilots are out of options.
Fly up. Up.
30 minutes after crashing into the Java Sea, the wreckage of Lion Air Flight 610 is located. There are no survivors.